Hello, children. Stop panicking about your math lessons. Finding the degree of a polynomial is actually a 2-second trick. First, what is a polynomial? It's just a math expression with variables like x or y. And the degree? That's just a fancy word for the highest power. Think of the highest power as the boss of the equation. But how do you find the boss in a crowd? Here is my secret trick. Ignore the big numbers in front. I call them giants. They are just there to distract you. Instead, only look at the tiny numbers at the top, the shadows. The biggest shadow is your answer. Hey everyone, I am Janaki, your CBSE coach. Today we are putting this trick to the test as we dive into Chapter 2, Exercise 2.1. We are tackling question 1 together so you can spot polynomials like a pro. Let's jump in. Let's look at the 4 types you need to know. First, if the highest shadow is 3, like in x cube, it's a cubic polynomial. If the highest shadow is 2, like in x square, it's quadratic. Now, if you see just a letter like X with no number, there is an invisible 1. That is a linear polynomial. And if there is no letter at all, just a number like 15, that's a constant with a degree of 0. Now that you know the secret, let's solve 16 examples together and make you a math pro. I have prepared 16 examples ranging from easy to tricky to make sure you never miss a mark in your exam. Let's solve them one by one. Hit that subscribe button for more math hacks and let's dive into the practice set. Identify the terms 3x squared, 2x raised to 1 and 1x raised to 0. By 1x raised to 0, we mean 1 is alone, it has no x in front of it. Compare the powers 2, 1 and 0. The highest power is 2, degree is equal to 2. Identify the terms y square and minus 9y raised to 0. The power of y is 2, the highest power is 2, degree is equal to 2. Identify the terms 5t square and 4t. Compare the powers 2 and 1. The highest power is 2, degree is equal to 2. Identify the powers x square 2, 10x 1 and 25 0. The largest exponent is 2, degree is equal to 2. Now we start with the cubic polynomials. List the powers of x. They are 3, 2 and 0. The highest number is 3, degree is equal to 3. The next cubic polynomial 2y cubed plus y minus 7. Here the powers of y are 3, 1 and 0. The highest power is 3, degree is equal to 3. There are two terms z cube and 27. The power of the variable z is 3, degree is equal to 3. There is only one term, the exponent of the variable t is 3, degree is equal to 3. No variable is visible. We can write this as 15 times x to the power of 0. The only power present is 0. Degree is equal to 0. Minus 20. This is a constant value. Constants have a variable power of 0. Degree is equal to 0. This is a fraction, but still a constant number. No variable means the power is 0. Degree is equal to 0. 1000. This can be represented as 1000y to the power of 0. The exponent is 0. Degree is equal to 0. Identify the variable term 5x. X is the same as x to the power of 1. The power is 1. Degree is equal to 1. Y minus 10. Look at the variable y. The exponent of y is 1. Degree is equal to 1. This is a single term, 2z to the power of 1. The highest power is 1. Degree is equal to 1. Compare the terms 8t to the power of 1 and 1 to the power of 0. The highest exponent is 1. Degree is equal to 1. And that is it. You just mastered the degree of polynomials for all four types: constant, linear, quadratic, and cubic. If you found these 16 examples helpful, give this video a thumbs up so that I know you want more math hacks. Don't forget to check the description box for a free practice worksheet. Subscribe to join our learning community, and I will see you in the next lesson.